Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your heart rate on the Google Fit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the browse icon down below, which is the third option. Click on Vitals, go to the check your heart rate section and tap on get started. So now you need to place your finger over your camera lens. You need to hold your finger steady in order to complete the measurement. As you can see, it is almost done, so you will be able to see the result. So now you can see your heart rates result, and then you can save this information by clicking on the save measurement icon down below, or button down below. Now if you go to the vitals section again and tap on this heart rate section, you will see a chart indicating your heart rate information, and if you scroll down and tap on the see source data button, you will be able to see your data entries. As you can see, there are 4 of them, so you will be able to keep track of your heart rate results on the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.